Hi, I'm Ty Irvin. I'm the founder of Irvin Services. I started Irvin Services in 2004, coming from a construction management background. But I've always had a love for tools and working with my hands. I saw a need in the general trades construction industry, specifically commercial construction, where you could have a small, nimble company that could come in and be a problem solver. So today, when new clients come to me, they say, "What do you do?" I'm like, that's usually a tough question. I say we're a specialty contractor that specializes in nothing except solving problems. Bringing that to the table, I've invested in as much automation and technology as possible. With all of this automation, we can bring something new to the general trades industry. Over the past 18 years of growth, we found ourselves with a 65,000 square foot manufacturing facility employing 15 people. Because of our diversity, we're able to come in on large commercial projects and solve the challenging problems. With all of that said, let's take a moment and go on a tour and look at all of these machines. This is our 6K Bystronic fiber laser. It has a 6 foot by 12 foot table for processing oversized sheets. We can cut up to 1 inch material in steel and also stainless steel. It's an excellent machine, super fast cutting. I know in thinner materials, we've been cutting up to 2,000 inches a minute, 1/4 inch plate. We've been cutting up to 200 inches a minute. As we looked at numerous brands and machines, we settled on this for one specific feature, is it has an excellent computerized front end. The operator here can take a nest coming out of the office and then process it down onto drops very efficiently at the machine, which is a unique feature of this compared to any of its competitors. And on this machine here specifically, we're also cutting with high pressure air in lieu of nitrogen, which offers some nice economies in cutting costs. This is our new Kohler leveling machine. This machine can process up to 5/8 of an inch thick, 5/8 inch wide. The purpose of this machine is we can take material that has initial coil set or distortion in it through the laser cutting process, where we can roll it in on this end, comes out the other end perfectly flat within thousandths of an inch tolerance. This is our Bystronic press brake. This is a 4-meter, 220-ton machine. It has 6-axis back gauge for all the complicated bends and offsets. It also has dynamic crowning, so we're able to hold a 1/2 degree tolerance on the length of an entire bend. Behind me, you'll see our full array of wheel-up high-precision press brake tooling. We have tooling to cover anything from the thinnest sheet metals up to 3/4 of an inch material. This is our Omax water jet. This machine has a 5-axis head. It's a great machine to supplement our laser cutter. This will allow us to do bevel cuts, unlike the laser machine, and also we can cut on numerous materials such as stone, woods, plastics, rubber, etc., that cannot be cut on a laser. This is our machine shop portion of our shop. Behind me you can see our CNC mill, lathe, and manual machines over here. At Irvin Services, we don't aspire to be a full service machine shop, but it's a key component of us being able to stay to our core value, is being able to perform everything in-house under our control. So for all the architectural jobs where you need a bushing, a bracket, an adapter, and a plate, etc., we can perform that all in-house. This is our BLM mandrel bender. This is a 3-inch machine that has a 3-stack head on it, so it allows us for rapid tool changes. Additionally, this machine has oversized servos, so we can do push bending for large radius and helical bends. In our stainless weld area, we use the typical TIG machines, but we also have the latest technology, which is a fiber laser welder. This machine is capable of welding up to 1/4 inch material and also dissimilar metals. One thing with this process that we could never accomplish before with a TIG welder is we can do T-joints or any kind of difficult welding of thin stainless with no distortion on the backside. Last but not least, we have our wide belt sander. This machine is a 3-station sanding head, which allows us to process up to 52-inch wide material. And as an example here, we have a project where we had some 1/2-inch aluminum with a mill finish that we cut on the water jet and then put a number 4 finish on the final product.